Ganyan talaga ano po.
Sana may baka, no?
Yeah. Anong oras na?
Wala pa yung baka.
Anong oras na?
8 o'clock on my watch.
So, it's 8 o'clock in the morning. We're just few yards away from the EK. Now we have here Nathan, Leonard,
Damn it, I'm wet.
Andre, and Jerbak, Daniel. So we just finished practicing rugby. Passing. Rugby. Now next is, we're going to do the passing drill. So the first one was called skip one. Later, gawin namin yun. Malapit na kami sa Sanlo. Kailangan sa may Sanlo. Yan, doon lang.
Go Philippines!
Go Philippines. Yan. So yan ang mga first members ng
Golden Boys kayo.
Golden Saints Rugby Team.
Bubuhay ang Pilipinas!
Yan.
Mabuhay! And represent!
Okay.